In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send hundreds of personalized emails in Gmail. By the end, you'll be able to combine a Google Sheet with Gmail's mail merge so every recipient gets a message that feels written just for them. Start in your web browser by opening Google Sheets and setting up a simple contact list. Create a new sheet with 2-column headers, email and first name. Enter one recipient per row and double-check that email addresses are valid and that first names are capitalized the way you want them to appear in an email. Keep the header row clean, no extra spaces or punctuation, because your merge tags will rely on those exact names. If you notice any blanks in the first name column, fill them in now to avoid awkward greetings later. Next, open Gmail and click Compose to start your message. Write your subject line and body as you normally would, but where you want personalization, insert a placeholder like /first name. For example, your opening might read, "Hi, first name," followed by your main message. Keep this email open as a draft for the merge to use. A concise subject line that references your topic clearly will also help deliverability. Look to the Compose Windows sidebar and click the Use Mail Merge icon. This opens Gmail's merge options that connect your draft to your contact list. In the panel that appears, select Mail Merge to continue. Choose Add from a spreadsheet, then pick the Google Sheet you prepared. You can also enable the email tracker here to see useful delivery insights, like whether a message was sent, bounced, opened, or replied to. Tracking helps you understand performance at a glance, but always be respectful of recipients' privacy and follow your organization's policies. Back in your draft, you can add personalized fields by typing the @ symbol and selecting a merge tag, like @firstname. This should match the header name in your sheet. You can also keep using the braces style, such as #firstname. Just be consistent. Read through your copy once more to confirm your placeholders are in the right spots and that the message still sounds natural even when the variables are replaced. When everything looks good, click Continue to start the send. Gmail will generate individualized emails for each row in your sheet. After sending, check your Google Sheet or the Merge panel to see the status updates for each recipient, so you can follow up intelligently and keep your outreach organized. As a final tip, send a quick test to yourself first and stay within Gmail's sending limits to protect deliverability. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.